Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to track steps in the MyFitnessPal food tracker app. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're gonna go to the dashboard. You can access the dashboard in the bottom left, and then we're gonna scroll down to find steps and press on that. And here we're going to press on add a device. So this doesn't necessarily mean a device, it just means like an app on your phone. So you're going to have to download any of the apps available that like track steps. It could be anything, but I have Google Fit. So there it is. I'm going to press on Google Fit and then press connect and then allow. So there we go. Now Google Fit is connected to the MyFitnessPal app, and I'm just going to select an account. I'm going to grant permissions, press continue, and there we go. Now it's connected, and once we return, you can see it's connected right here, and there we go. Now the steps are displayed. So on this phone there's currently 0 steps, but once you start taking steps, this is going to change, and you can also set goals here and track steps and other stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.